In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the Simon surround system for pick 4. So let's dive in. As a note, you guys, remember to always check the descriptions below for more information. Okay, jumping right in. So on your sheet, paper, or grid, I want you guys to draw 18 boxes. That's 6 boxes for each row. And if you guys want to download the grid that I'm using in the video, the link will be in the description. After that, you want to write in the middle 4 boxes your previous hit, and for today's video, I'll be using North Carolina previous hit 79-21, which came out on July the 11th, 2024. So now we will focus on each number from your previous hit. For your second box, you want to put that same previous hit digit in your top box. So in my case, I'll be taking my previous hit digit, which is 7, and put that same digit in my top box. Here's an example. For the third box, you want to put the mirror digit to your previous hit digit in your top and bottom box. So in my case, I would take my previous hit digit, which is 9, and put the mirror digit to 9, which is 4, in my top and bottom box. Here's an example. For the fourth box, you want to count up 1 and put that digit in your top box. Then take the mirror digit to your top box digit and put that in your bottom box. So in my case, I would count up 1 from 2 and take that digit, which is 3, and put that in my top box. Then take the mirror to 3, which is 8, and put that in my bottom box. Here's an example. For your fifth box, you want to count up 4 digits and put that digit in your top box, and take your previous hit digit and put that same digit in your bottom box. So in my case, I would count up 4 from 1 and put that digit, which is 5, in my top box, and then take the previous hit digit, which is 1, and put that same digit in my bottom box. Here's an example. For your sixth box, you want to count back 2 from your fifth box digit and put that digit in your sixth box. So in my case, I would count back 2 from 5, which will give me 3, and take that 3 and put it in my sixth box. Here's an example. For the seventh box, you want to count back 2 off of your previous hit digit, and also do the same for the 8th box and put those digits in your 7th and 8th box. So in my case, I would count back 2 from my previous hit digit, which is 1, and put that digit, which is 9, in my 7th box, and do the same for my 8th box. Here's an example. For the 12th box, which is the second row bottom box, you want to count back 3 off of your 11th box digit and put that digit in your 12th box. So in my case, I would count back 3 from 4 and put that digit, which is 1, in my 12th box. Here's an example. For the 13th box, you want to count up 1 from your 12th box digit and put that digit in your 13th box. And for your 14th box, you want to take the previous hit digit and put its mirror in the 14th box. So in my case, I would count up 1 from my 12th box digit and take that digit, which is 2, and put that digit in my 13th box. And I will take my previous hit digit, which is 7, and take the mirror to 7, which is also 2, and put that in my 14th box. Here's an example. For your first box, you want to count back 2 from your 14th box digit and put that in your first box. So in my case, I would count back 2 from 2, which would give me 0, and take that digit and put that in my first box. Here's an example. Once that is completed, you would then put together your 14 sets of pick 4 numbers. Here are my 14 sets of pick 4 numbers off of North Carolina previous hit 7921. On July 12th, 2024, the pick 4 number that hit was 8114. And as you can see in my 14 sets of numbers, 8114 is in there. Now, just like in the pick 3 Simon Surround video, you will now put your 14 sets of numbers in the exact order. So take the second digit and the first digit and swap the order they are in, and do the same for the third and fourth digit. Here are my 14 sets of numbers put in exact order off of North Carolina's previous hit, 7921. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys the new date sum as well as a new workout, and I'll also be discussing with you guys something new that will be coming in the future, so keep them notifications on. Thank you for watching and feel free to comment.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.